How is the weather? It's raining. It's raining. Don't forget your umbrella. I can't go outside because it's raining. Is it raining in your area? It's snowing. It is snowing outside, so don't forget your coat. Look. It is snowing for the first time this year. I love it when it is snowing, it looks so beautiful. It's thundering. It is thundering outside, so we should stay indoors. I couldn't sleep last night because it was thundering so loudly. There is thunder and lightning, don't go near the trees. It's freezing. It is freezing today. Don't forget your coat. I can't feel my fingers, it's freezing out here. Is it freezing where you are? It's sunny. Let's go to the beach. It's sunny. Even though it's sunny, it's still cold. Don't forget your sunglasses. It's sunny outside. It's windy. It is windy today, so don't forget your jacket. I don't want to go outside because it is windy. It is windy, and the trees are moving a lot. It's cloudy. It is cloudy this morning, so the beach might be quiet. It is cloudy, but I don't think it will rain. It is cloudy outside, the sun is hiding.